The eyes are complex organs that allow us to perceive the world around us through the sense of sight. They work by capturing and focusing light onto a specialized layer of tissue at the back of the eye, called the retina. Let's dive into the main components and processes involved in the functioning of the eyes. 1. Cornea. The cornea is the clear, dome-shaped front surface of the eye. It plays a vital role in focusing light as it enters the eye. 2. Iris and pupil. Behind the cornea is the iris, which is the colored part of the eye. The iris controls the size of the pupil, the black circular opening in the center of the eye. The pupil adjusts its size based on the amount of light available, allowing more or less light to enter the eye. 3. Lens. The lens is located just behind the iris and pupil. It further focuses the incoming light onto the retina. The lens changes its shape through a process called accommodation, which allows for focusing on objects at various distances. 4. Retina. The retina is a layer of light-sensitive cells lining the back of the eye. It contains two primary types of photoreceptor cells: rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low-light conditions and perceive black, white, and shades of gray. Cones are responsible for color vision and work best in bright light. 5. Optic nerve. The retina converts light signals into electrical impulses, which are then transmitted through the optic nerve to the brain. The optic nerve carries these signals from the eye to the visual cortex in the brain, where they are interpreted as visual information. 6. Accommodation and refraction. As light enters the eye, it undergoes refraction, which is the bending of light rays. The cornea and lens help refract the light to focus it precisely onto the retina. The process of accommodation, controlled by the lens, involves adjusting its shape to ensure clear vision at different distances. 7. Visual processing. Once the visual information reaches the brain via the optic nerve, it undergoes complex processing in various areas of the brain, including the visual cortex. The brain integrates and interprets the visual signals, allowing us to perceive shapes, colors, depth, motion, and other visual attributes. It's important to note that the eyes work in conjunction with the brain to form our